I'm sure you have come across many delicious dal recipes, but today I will show you one that's simple, flavorful and perfect for everyday cooking. We are making tomato dal. 1 cup of Toor dal. I like to dry roast this dal before cooking because this adds lovely flavor. Once roasted, remove it from the heat and rinse it well. Transfer this washed dal into a pressure cooker. For 1 cup of dal, I'm adding in about 2 cups of water and 250 grams of chopped tomatoes. Cover the cooker with a lid and let it pressure cook for about 3 whistles. Once the whistles are done, release the pressure completely and then open the lid. This dal looks beautifully cooked. Now let's prepare our tempering. 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. When they start to splutter, add 3 dried chillies, a pinch of Asafoetida, 3 slit green chillies and 8 to 10 curry leaves. Now pour the cooked dal and tomato mixture into the tempering pan. Mix everything nicely. Add a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and let this simmer for about a minute or 2. Now finally, let's garnish this with some coriander leaves. Switch off the stove and serve this hot with steamed rice and a spoon of ghee. If you like this traditional recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food.